You hear the popping? It's actually flashing on the screen as well. Can you see it? Flash, 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 flash. Pop, 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 pop. Weird, eh? Very odd. Stop popping now. It's weird. Oh, it's come on. Okay. Oh, that's odd. Okie dokie. Oh. Okay. Weird. That's very weird. Okay. Takes a while for it to come back on. For some strange weird reason. Don't see anything here. It's too dark at the moment. Hold on a minute. It's very weird. Very odd. So obviously something on the board is taking a long time for it to start up. I ain't got a clue. Anybody got an answer? Write on a postcard to YouTube. Anyway, see you later. Bye bye.